OpenAI just launched GPT 5.5, and the question is simple. Is it actually better than Claude and Gemini? In this video, we'll compare GPT 5.5 for coding, business work, tool use, research, and pricing. And by the end, you'll know whether GPT 5.5 is worth using or whether another AI model is still better for you. First, what is GPT 5.5? OpenAI describes it as a model built for complex real-world work, including coding, online research, data analysis, documents, spreadsheets, and using tools. The important part is this: GPT 5.5 is not just for answering questions, it is designed to work more like an AI agent. A normal chatbot gives an answer, but an AI agent can plan, use tools, check results, and continue working until the task is complete. For coding, GPT 5.5 looks very strong. On Terminal Bench 2.0, OpenAI reports GPT 5.5 at 82.7% compared with Claude Opus 4.7 at 69.4% and Gemini 3.1 Pro at 68.5%. That matters because Terminal Bench tests command line coding workflows. In simple words, it checks whether the AI can actually work through developer tasks, not just answer coding questions. But here's the honest part. On SWE Bench Pro, Claude Opus 4.7 is still ahead with 64.3%, while GPT 5.5 is at 58.6%. So GPT 5.5 is excellent for coding, especially terminal workflows and agent-style tasks, but Claude is still very competitive. For business work, GPT 5.5 becomes very interesting. OpenAI reports GPT 5.5 at 84.9% on GDP Val, compared with Claude at 80.3% and Gemini at 67.3%. This matters for small businesses, agencies, freelancers, and startups. You can use AI to research competitors, summarize documents, create reports, write emails, analyze spreadsheets, and plan marketing campaigns. This is where GPT 5.5 could become very useful for people who are not developers but still want to use AI for real work. Next is tool use. OpenAI's model docs list GPT 5.5 with support for functions, web search, file search, and computer use. This is important because AI is moving from chatbots to agents. A chatbot gives you an answer, like an AI agent can research, open files, use tools, check results, and keep going until the job is finished. That is why this model matters. It is not only about smarter replies, it is about getting more real work done with fewer prompts. Now let's talk about pricing. OpenAI lists GPT 5.5 at $5 per 1 million input tokens and $30 per 1 million output tokens. So it is powerful, but it is not the cheapest option. If you only need simple summaries, basic writing, or quick answers, GPT 5.5 may be overkill. If you are doing coding, research, business analysis, or AI agent workflows, the higher price can make sense. So, does GPT 5.5 beat Claude and Gemini? The honest answer is, in some areas, yes. It looks especially strong for coding workflows, business tasks, tool use, and complex professional work, but it does not win every benchmark. Claude is still strong for coding, and Gemini remains competitive in research and ecosystem features. The real story is bigger. AI is moving from chatbots to agents. The winner will not just answer questions, the winner will finish the work. If you want simple AI breakdown for business, coding, and automation, Subscribe to the channel. Next, I'll test GPT 5.5 with real-world prompts and compare it against Claude and Gemini step by step.